How to delete your Crunchyroll account on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Crunchyroll account on phone. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, open Crunchyroll on your smartphone. And note, the deletion process of your Crunchyroll account will be pretty much same on Android and iPhone. Now in your Crunchyroll account's homepage, click on account at the bottom right corner. And here you cannot find any delete option. So scroll down to the bottom of this page. And here click on need help. And then open with any browser. Now here in this search box, just type delete. And at the top search results, you will find an article on how to delete your Crunchyroll account. So here click on how can I delete my account. And in this article, let's scroll down. And guys, you're going to read, before deleting your Crunchyroll account, make sure that the account is free and there are no active premium subscriptions. If you have any active subscription, then you need to cancel it. And here you will know the instructions on how to cancel any active premium subscription on Crunchyroll. So you have to click on this link. And now second, to verify the ownership of your account, please submit your deletion request using the email address associated with your account. So in order to verify the ownership of your account for your account deletion, actually you need to provide the email address that is associated with your Crunchyroll account. Now once you completed both of these steps, now next to submit your account deletion, here click on this link. And here you can submit your Crunchyroll account deletion request. So first here it says, please choose your issue below. So click on this white blank box and here scroll down a little and select on account/login. And now you can verify your account ownership and submit deletion request. So here let's scroll down and under the email address field, enter the email address of your Crunchyroll account. And then under the problem type, select on other. And here you can see this option is optional, so we can leave this field. And then under the subject, you have to write account deletion. And now let's scroll down. And under the description field, you can describe something like, I want to delete my Crunchyroll account. Please help me in deleting my account. So after describing you want to delete your Crunchyroll account, under this brand field, make sure Crunchyroll is selected. Now after that, click on submit. And here it is, your request was successfully submitted. And just immediately, I got this email from Crunchyroll. And here you can read, thanks for reaching out. We just wanted to send you a short note to let you know that we have received your request and we'll do our best to respond as soon as possible. So guys, let me wait until I receive any email from Crunchyroll in the case of my account deletion. So guys, after 4 days, I got this email from an employee of Crunchyroll, Satyam Mishra. So here let's scroll down. And here you can read, hi there, thank you for reaching out to us about this matter. I understand you need assistance regarding deletion of your account. We just need to confirm your request to delete this account as we will not be able to undelete your account. You will lose all your history and watch list. So guys, to permanently delete your Crunchyroll account on your mobile phone, you will actually need to reply to this email that you want to confirm delete your account. So here at the bottom you can click on reply, or else at the top you can click on this reply icon to reply to this email. So here I'm gonna write dear Satyam with Crunchyroll in brackets. Thank you for the response. Yes, please proceed with deleting my Crunchyroll account. And then here at the top, I'm gonna click on this send icon. And that is my reply has been sent. And now again, let me wait until I receive any follow-up email from Crunchyroll to this reply. So guys, 2 days later, I opened Crunchyroll as I was already signed into my account. And here it says, your session has expired. Please log in. And just immediately, I received this email from Crunchyroll Satyam Mishra in the case of my account deletion. Hi there, thanks for writing in. I hope you are doing well. I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. We have just deleted the account under this email address. You should be good to go. So guys, now let's check whether my Crunchyroll account has been deleted or not. So let me go to the Crunchyroll app. And here let's click on login. And here I'm gonna select email. And let me enter the email address of my deleted account. And then let me enter my password and let's click on login. And there it says account info invalid. Please try again. That means my Crunchyroll account has been permanently deleted. And guys, that's pretty much it is. That's how you can delete your Crunchyroll account on mobile, Android and iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then watch this video and I will see you there.